Okay, the bench is ready. So it is a little low. It's quite low. Need to put it on a pedestal, but about 4 inches, 5 inches, I think will make it pretty comfortable. It's rock solid. It's really solid. Really nice iron work, and that 1.5-inch yellow pine on it. Now we did not put one back here because it feels good the way it is. So I think we're going to go with it just the way it is, and put it up on some stone wherever it's going to go. It's looking great. Okay, well, I do want to keep it under cover though. I don't want this outside getting weathered. Yeah, I might be able to take it, but it's just too nice. Let's keep it under. We've left lots of roof area here, so we'll figure out where it goes. May not get a permanent home for a while though, because we have to do this whole base. Okay, it's kind of windy and cold, so we're going to call it a day.